Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents how to control diabetes effectively naturally with these leaves. Hi friends, today very fast I will tell you a quick remedy to control your high blood sugar, so stay with me till the end. Neem leaves are considered as one of the most important and best remedy to cure and control diabetes naturally. Neem is also known as Margosa, and with its bitter property, it becomes one of the best ayurvedic and herbal remedy to cure diabetes. In today's video, I am going to share the important remedy to cure diabetes with neem leaves. So follow the mentioned tips to control diabetes using neem leaves and see the instant change. The main ways of using neem for treating diabetes are: number 1, by neem powder. Directions: take a spoonful of neem powder directly in morning and evening, or take a teaspoon of neem powder and glass of water. Mix it and drink it in the morning and evening and before going to bed. Number 2, by neem tea. Neem tea acts as a tonic as well as revitalizer. If taken regularly, reduces insulin requirements by 50% in diabetes patients. It helps in boosting the energy in diabetics and lowers the risk of other diabetes-related problems like kidney failure, vision problems, and excessive urination. Directions: take some neem leaves and boil in water and drink it. Neem and its parts are very effective in treating diabetes. It also helps to maintain the insulin level. By using neem leaves and other paths will show positive and effective results. Neem has the ability with which you can control diabetes naturally, but due to its bitter taste, people ignore it, but it is very important medicine for diabetic patients, so don't ignore it. It takes time to adjust, but after that it becomes a habit. So stay fit and free from diseases. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.